Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. So in the spirit of that, in this episode, I'm going to introduce you guys a couple of Chinese words and phrases so you can say thanks and express your gratitude to your Chinese friends. Let's get started. First, how to say Thanksgiving. Now, Thanksgiving in Chinese is 感恩节,感恩节,感恩节. So, 感 means feel, 恩 means gratitude. Now, 节 we have talked about that many times. It literally just means festival. 感恩节,感恩节. So, happy Thanksgiving would be 感恩节. How to say happy? Do you still remember? Yes. 快乐, right? So we would say 感恩节快乐,感恩节快乐. Now, if I want to say I wish you a happy Thanksgiving, we can say 我 how to say wish? 祝 yes, 祝 means wish. 我祝你 so I wish you 我祝你感恩节快乐我祝你感恩节快乐 So that's pretty simple, right? Now, what if you want to avoid the cliche and don't say that because, after all, it's not really a Chinese festival, so you probably don't really say that. But you could say maybe something like that to your friend, like in this Thanksgiving, I wanted to express my thanks or my gratitude to you for all your help. So that would be something that is proper to say, right? So in this Thanksgiving, we would say 在 okay, 在 somewhere, it means at somewhere, right? 在这个 so in this 这个在这个感恩节在这个感恩节我想对你说 I wanted to tell you 我想对你说 also a very frequently used and a very useful phrase as well. 在这个感恩节我想对你说谢谢你对我的支持和帮助 Thank you for your support and help. 谢谢你Thank you 对我 so 对 is to somebody, right? 谢谢你对我的my 支持 support 支持和 and 帮助 help 在这个感恩节谢谢你对我的支持和帮助 And at last you could always add thank you very much, which is 非常感谢非常感谢Something that us Chinese often say is 你辛苦了你辛苦了谢谢你 So this is a little bit different when it comes to translation. If you literally translated that, it's like you've been working very hard. But the idea that we are trying to express is I appreciate that. I really appreciate whatever you do, or I really appreciate your work. I really appreciate your help. So we say 你辛苦了你辛苦了你辛苦了 Alright, so these are some expressions that you can use for this 感恩节 At last, 我祝愿所有人感恩节快乐 I wish all a happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.